Hi, I want to do a real quick review for you on the Neewer ball head. It is a low profile ball head. It allows 360 degrees rotation on the base. You can use this for a DSL. I use this for my iPhone for my top down recording. And you could use it for any of your devices. It'll go on a tripod. It'll go on one of these little overhead things. I've spent a lot of money on ball heads, and this for the price was just perfect what I need for my overhead recordings. You have the rotating ball head, which it is very smooth and gives you a really good angles. Also, you have the locking mechanism on the side, which gives you I think it gives you a little bit better angle than some that are closer to the bottom, and it locks really tightly at all different angles. You have the bubble level and the quick shoe lock, so it lets you take this off, and then you have your shoe to attach, in my case, to my iPhone adapter. You can also set it up with your camera. So it does do weight up to 20 pounds or 10 kilograms. I just threw this on there just to show you how it locks and how you can play with it here. You can see I can move the ball head wherever I want it and lock it in. So when asked whether I would recommend this, it's an absolutely thumbs up. It is only $24, and it really gives you a lot of value for the money, and it's easy, quick to use, and lightweight. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Hope you'll subscribe to the Peppy Techie channel. Please make sure you hit the bell so you'll be notified when I make a new video. And leave your comments down below. Your questions, your thoughts, even your advice is much appreciated. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for watching the Peppy Techie channel.